All my friends are getting jobs immediately after graduation. Why am I the only one not? I really feel hopeless at getting a real job after being rejected twice. An interview is going to be held soon. I want to give it a shot. I can't give up just yet. It might be a great opportunity for me. I wonder how they make cans. Kazu is a company that recognizes and values talents. We ensure that the talents of our employees are well rewarded with benefits and compensations.
Are you here for the job? Can you start today?
Yes, I can.
Hi, welcome to Kazu Can Factory. Let's begin, shall we?